Hi everyone. Today I'm going to review about five sounds. Um, lead, leg. Beat, bet. Seal, sound. Dan. Next, listen to. Drake sat in a van, and a rat ran in a van. No, said Drake. Drake's cat ran in the van, and the rat ran out. The cat sat on Drake's lap. Drake had ham for the cat. Good cat, said Drake. Blow is as quickly as possible. Drake sat in a van, and a rat ran in a van. No, said Drake. Drake's cat ran in the van, and the cat ran out. The cat sat on Drake's lap. Drake had ham for the cat. Good cat, said Drake. Next, number 2 in lesson 2. Wet, lead, wed, ted, led, wed. Make, met, ted, met, make. Quickly. Wet, leg, lead. Wet, leg, wet. Make, met, ted. Oh no. Make, met, ted. Ted, make. Yeah. Finish. This is my video. See you next time. Bye.